but I'ma show it out.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this little mini fishtail, pigtail type of ordeal. I've been wearing my hair a lot like this in the summer just because it's really hot. It's like a casual look. It's super cute and fun. It looks really cute with the hat as well if you're into that. And I just decided that I wanted to show you guys. I've gotten so many questions on how I've been doing my hair like this, so I figured I'd sit down and shoot a tutorial for you guys. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you as a part of my channel. I've seen that a lot of you guys are new here, so if you are, my name is Sélah. I make new videos every single week, like fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel vlogs. I'm gonna be going to Chicago soon, and I'm gonna be doing like a whole vlog of that weekend too, so please consider subscribing and look out for that. And yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so as you guys can see, I basically just washed my hair. It's still kind of curly from just being wet, but it's not wet anymore. I just basically blow dried it, straightened like these little pieces right here, and then add in my Bellamy Lily Glichi clip-in extensions. This is in the color, it's like a dark brown, but I will link the exact color down below, but it actually matches my hair perfectly. I'm just gonna use 3 different strands, clip them in, and then we'll go from there. But basically that's all you're gonna need. You just need some little rubber bands. I got these off of Amazon. And some IGK Beach Claw. This is just gonna volumize your hair and make it nice and thick. And then you're going to just need a brush and then a ratting comb. So pretty simple. It's gonna be a really quick hairstyle. It's actually a lot easier than it looks. But yeah, you don't have to like do anything crazy to your hair at first, but basically you're just gonna air dry your hair and then just straighten like the front pieces. That's pretty much all I do, depending on like how curly your hair is, whatever, but it can just be like your natural hair for the most part. First, I'm just going to tie my hair back. And we're gonna clip in the extensions. And you're just gonna want to brush your hair out. And look how much of a difference that makes. Okay, so I just went ahead and curled my hair with a 1-inch curling iron. I like to use a 1-inch curling iron just because that's what's gonna give it that like really spiralness at the ends of the fishtail braids. But I didn't do that on camera just because it's just like basic curling. As long as you use a 1-inch curling iron, you'll be perfectly fine. Don't add any hairspray or anything, just like let it be loose. I have a tutorial on how I curl my hair, but I will do like a full in-depth one of using the 1-inch curling iron if that's what you guys want to see. But today we're doing the fishtail braid. So anyways, you're just gonna want to take the Beach Club IGK volumizer spray or whatever volumizer spray that you have, and you're just gonna spray that in your hair just to get it nice and volumized. Then with the ratting comb, you're just going to kind of part down the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you're also going to want to just rat your crown. Hair in one layer and the second layer. Comb that down. And then what I like to do also is just rat a little bit on the sides. Now that that's done, you're going to want to just part your hair into 2 different sides, like that. Now, we're going to take one of your rubber bands, just have it like ready for you. And let me see, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can like really see what I'm doing. If you don't know how to fishtail, I'm gonna kind of try to teach you that. I'm not the best like teacher, but we're gonna try. So you just split that big chunk on one side. Here, let me move this so it's not distracting. Into 2 halves, like this. Now, from the back side, you're gonna take one piece from the very back with your thumb and just bring that over to the other side. And then I don't really want my bangs in it. I like to keep my bangs out, so I'm just gonna leave that piece out. And then from that second side, which is the front side, you're gonna take a piece from the back. I like to use like skinnier pieces just because it makes the fishtail look a lot better, especially if you have darker hair. It's harder to see, so that gives it like, it doesn't make it look like a normal braid. You can tell that it's just a fishtail braid. So as you can see, I'm pulling that over. Now same thing, from that same side, you're gonna pull a back piece to that other side. And you're gonna continue doing that. Pull from the one side, pull it over. I don't know if you guys can tell. Then take your thumb, pull another piece from that back, and continue to do that. I'll show you guys like when to stop. You're gonna just want like big enough chunks. I'll show you. So just continue to do that. A decent amount of the fishtail braid, you're gonna take your rubber band and just secure that. Once you have that part secured, I like to pull it apart just so it's a little bit messier. It looks really cute, and I like to do it about that length. You can do it like them however big, but I like to get in at least 3 fishtail braids. So then I'm gonna go down to the second. And again, same thing, take a piece from the back, pull it over, and continue doing that. I like to only tie the rubber band 2 times, that way it's easier to pull apart the fish. Now you can leave the fishtail into 2s like this, or you can do 3. So there you go, you have a super cute fishtail braid. Leave your little bang out, it's super cute. You can do it casual, you can dress it up. Now we're just gonna go ahead and do the other side. So shimmy out, shimmy in. We could unwind. So this is the other side complete. You can pull them apart as much as you want. You can make it messier if you want, and then as you can see, the bottoms will just curl naturally. If you use that same size curling iron, you can leave out as much bangs as you want. Just do that for like a more messy style, but they are naturally just gonna like twist and turn, but I actually think that looks really cute. But anyways, you guys, I hope you learned something from this video and you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy tutorials like this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.